Hi. In this field there are two different processes, and the first one is drilling this part, and the second one is soldering the circuit, the printed circuit. And now, in this section, we have two guests from the class, Ercan and Ahmet. Okay, they will watch their friends while doing this experiment. Now, if you want, we can watch Ahmet and the process of drilling. Okay. By the time, I would like to give some information about this technology. As you know, there are three different technology, and we are using through hole technology. It means that we are using this drilling machine and we are drilling the points with this tool, through this tool, with the help of this tool. Okay, I think this is enough for drilling, and let's pass the other department. And here, my friend Alparslan is working. Okay, Alparslan is soldering right now, soldering the PCB, printed circuit board right now. Okay, Alparslan has soldered the component of the amplifier of speaker, as you see, onto the circuit board, as you see. Okay, in this part we have completed our work, and now I would like to give some information about the finished amplifier of speaker. At the end of this process, we would like to have this finished amplifier of speaker. Okay. And okay, let me give some information about this amplifier of speaker. As you see, the big part on the board, it's called cooler. Okay. And this one, the black one here, the small one, is integrated circuit, yes, which increases the volume of the signals. And this one, the big part, is cooler, which make the integrated circuit TDA 2004 cold. And okay, here on the corner of the board, you see two different channels, which are controlled by condensometers. Okay, and it means that they are adjustable channels. Okay, we are using here two capacitors here, and then this one are small capacitors and resistors you see on the board, the circuit. Okay, and yes, we are using input and output channels here in this part, and there are some holes to attack the wires. At the end of the process, we would like to use this finished amplifier with an electronic device. Okay, my presentation is over. Thank you for listening to me.